Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel. I'm Rachel here with vicrez.com, and today we have another BMW carbon fiber front lip splitter product overview for you. But this time it's exclusive to only the BMW M2 and M2 Competition models, which means that all M2 F87 coupes from 2016 to 18 can expect an OEM fit with VZ101027, and even the 2019 to 20 competition models as well, which will see splitter splendor in VZ101480. Now, these front lip splitters were made specifically to fit the 2016 to 18 M2 and 2019 to 20 M2 competition front ends. However, we ask that you please test fit any new aftermarket product before painting, installing, or modifying in any way. Now, if you had the opportunity to watch our last BMW splitter comparison video, most of you will already have retained the knowledge from having heard it before. But for those who are just now tuning in for the first time, or for who missed our last comparison video, we'll briefly address the importance of functionality in front lip splitters. With all things aerodynamic taken into consideration, front lip splitters can be an absolutely crucial modification, especially when looking for components to improve the overall drag coefficient of your vehicle. Front splitters help to balance out both the front and rear distribution of downforce. So when traveling at high speeds, airflow is encouraged to pass on the sides of the vehicle and over the hood, rather than underneath. This improves traction, helping your car to hug the road and increasing the stability of your vehicle. This is especially true when maneuvering around tight or sharp turns. So with improved handling for you and less strain on the motor during acceleration, you can rejoice in knowing that these carbon fiber front lip splitters are not only visually pleasing, but also practical. You will find that these front lip splitters are ultra lightweight and extremely durable, providing you with a product that is up to 80% lighter than factory parts. And if all the benefits we've covered so far weren't exciting enough, just wait. There is full availability on these carbon fiber front lip splitters, meaning that between the two, there are no exclusions for any BMW M2 or M2 competition manufactured from 2016 to the newest 2020 competition models. Surely the sleek, refined, and modernized design of both VZ101027 and VZ101480 are bound to tickle your fancy, as these aftermarket upgrades pack a 2-for-1 punch, pretty with a purpose, giving your M2 and M2 competition coupe a subtle yet edgy and modestly aggressive new appearance. Truly the ideal upgrade for your 2016 to 2018 M2s, VZ101027 is a competition-style carbon fiber front lip splitter that carries with it a luxurious appeal that does not go unnoticed. This eye-catching M2 competition-style front lip splitter is tastefully matched to the cultured style of your M2. And for our M2 competition owners and drivers, this is the real deal. VZ101027 is a carbon fiber front lip made specifically to fit the front end specs of your 2019 to 20 competition models. Nothing short of stunning, this head-turning front lip splitter radiates elegance, adding harmony to the overall aerodynamic design of your M2 competition coupe. And as always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, stay tuned. We'll have more videos out soon. Just do yourself a favor, hit that like button below, head on over to our channel and subscribe so that way you can get the 411 on our newest product releases first. And if you want to get deals and discounts sent straight to your inbox, head on over to vicrez.com and subscribe to our weekly newsletter.